Okay, so we're going to be doing investigation number 2. In this setup, we have a solution of indicator. This one's called bromethyl blue, and this one has 2 color ranges. Color ranges are blue. As you can see, the blue indicates that the solution is basic. So if the experiment is successful, we will see a color change of yellow, which indicates that it is acidic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to react baking soda with vinegar. Now this reaction produces carbon dioxide. So as you can see, I have my solution here, my little cup with baking soda, and the question we're trying to figure out is, does water absorb CO2? So this should be, you're gonna place this in your first observations. I'm gonna add the vinegar to the baking soda. And so for this one, you're gonna be writing down your initial observations. So you should be looking at the color. What do you see? What do you hear? All right, so I'm just gonna demonstrate once more what really goes on. So I have the same setup, vinegar here, baking soda in the balloon, okay? And I'm going to place the baking soda into the vinegar solution. So what do you observe is occurring here, right? We can clearly see carbon dioxide is getting trapped inside this balloon. I press it, I can feel the pressure. You can see the reaction taking place here. All these bubbles is the carbon dioxide being produced.